What happened? Ibrahim, what happened? Feel tight? Huh? Ibrahim? Oi, see? Feel tight?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Now there.
Come, Ibrahim, come.
Walk around like that.
Where water?
Up the bench.
Where? What happened?
Why is that parrot climbing up the bench?
No, just sitting.
He's just sitting in the bench.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, you. Hello, you parrot.
You say
Hello,
hello.
you there.
Abraham, you say
Hello,
hello.
you parrot.
Hello.
Said shush.
Hello.
Put it a little bit this way so I can see myself.
What he say? What he say?
He said parrot.
Huh? What
Look,
he say?
that black one's moving.
Yes.
The black and red parrot sounds like. Why the black? Is the black and red parrot so tired? Is that parrot? Oh, that parrot's trying to go up the vents. And escape from the.
This have your video.
Let's take a video from the parrots climbing up.
Shake hand.
Camera. Who's here?
Hello. How are you? You fine?
Yes.
You fine?
Yes.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What? You have itchy? Why you have itchy?
गर्मी लगती भी ना
Why itchy?
उन गर्मी लगती भी है
Why itchy? Abraham?
Parrots up in the vents.
Hello.
Look, that parrot's trying to cross.
Yeah.
That parrot's trying to go to that
You
parrot.
think?
No, that parrot. Be careful,
Hello?
parrot. You might fall down. I think he's trying to go out the vents.
Where?
I think he's trying to. Now he's climbing. He's climbing next to that parrot.
You
The green parrot's up in the
You
vents.
said to parents.
Why is he walking upside down in the fence?
Yeah. You say
Why is he walking upside down in the fence?
hello. Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
I just don't know I said hello.
No, he say. You see? He say hello. You see? Hello.
That parrot said hello. Which parrot said hello?
Hello.
The green parrot? Or the white parrot?
No green.
I think the green parrot said that.
No, this green.
The green one?
You
That
see?
green one?
Yeah.
The green one next to him? And look, that purple one. Just standing next to him. Look, that purple one.
What?
Look at that parrot over there.
Hmm? Where?
There.
Where?
There.
This one?
Black one.
Green?
The green one saying hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. He's not saying anything. He's not saying anything.
What?
Why is that parrot not saying anything? It's just still looking at me. And nothing. It's not saying hello.
He's just looking. Yes?
Yeah.
Why?
Why is he still looking?
He's just looking you?
What's still looking at me? He said hello. Now you said hello, you parrot. Up the vent.
Wait. What happened?
Why is that parrot climbing up the vent?
No, just sitting.
He's just sitting in the vent.
Yeah.
Bye bye, you. Hello, you parrot.
You say
Hello,
hello.
in there.
Abraham, you say
Hello,
hello.
you parrot.
Hello.
Said shush.
Hello.
Put it a little bit this way so I can see myself. Look, there's a way to lumber. We can check which parrot's the best.
You're not showing me your muscles. Showing me muscles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very powerful, eh? Okay, check now. Power. Your turn. Your turn. Ui. Ui. Now my turn. Now my turn. Now my turn. Now my turn. Give me hand. Ay, ay, ay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
What?
Hello. Yeah, hello.
Parents,
Hello.
parents said
Yeah,
hello when
she's
someone
right.
said hello.
Yeah.
Kurt said hello when someone said hello.
Why are you, Ibrahim, very scary? Here. Here.
Oh, stairs? I'm getting tired.
Shake hand, shake hand.
Hello.
Hello. Shake hand, shake hand.
You can't.
Oh, very good, very good. Oh, slow, slow, slow. Okay. Hello. 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 Oh, carefully. No gift chips? You shake hand, no?
What's your name? What's your name?
No name.
What's your name?
Shake hand. Give chips.
I got some more left.
Oh, very good. Thank you. What do you eat, Ibrahim? What do you eat? Huh? What you eat? Huh?
You know what's this?
Ice cream.
And you know what it is?
What you eat, Ibrahim?
Strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream. Huh?
Yeah.
Is good? Huh? Good? Oh, you like? Huh? Oh, you like, huh?
I just love strawberry food.
Yes, Ibrahim. Ice cream is good?
Yes, very, very good.
Oh, very, very good, eh?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. You say.
Okay, bye-bye.
Say.
Bye.
Say.
What said what?
You subscribe my channel.
So you can subscribe my channel.
I don't like with you. Ibrahim, come this side. I finish friendship with you.
Let's go to Auntie.
No, I tell to uncle. I tell to uncle. Come. Okay, okay, no finish. Come. No finish. You like fight with me? Huh? Okay, no. No angry. What you showing me? What? I finish with you. You showing me power and angry with me?
Yes.
What you yes? Finish with you. You fighting with me? Ibrahim? अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। आज जी इब्राहिम हमारे साथ था तो हमने इब्राहिम की वीडियो बनाई है। ये जी बहुत प्यारा बच्चा है और हमारा दोस्त है। हमारे साथ जो है ना इसकी बड़ी अच्छी दोस्ती है। यू आर माई फ्रेंड, यस इब्राहिम, यू आर माई फ्रेंड, यस और नो, गिव मी आंसर। You are my friend. Give me answer.
Yes.
Yeah. जी ये बच्चा जो है ना हमारा दोस्त है. He is my friend. And he is very good. Next time इसको again लेके आएंगे वीडियो में. और आज का जो ये वीडियो हमने बनाया है ये जी इब्राहिम के साथ बनाया है. Okay, इब्राहिम, say bye bye. Say na. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Share my channel.
Share my channel.
Subscribe my channel.
Subscribe my channel.
And like my video.
And like my video.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, shake hand. Bye bye.